Grabbed these out of a ceiling fan I found on the side of the road on trash day. There was 3 of them, but one was dead. And the video is out on that already. Anyway, I'm going to put one of these in service. In here. This is on for most of the day, so I don't care that these have to warm up for a while. Yes, this is a standard definition video. That one's more yellow than that one. I'm going to use this one. 1650 lumens, 26 watts. Turn this EcoSmart 100 watt LED on for some lighting. You can see the Philips mini twister. 900 lumens, 13 watt. Huh. What the heck? There we go. Huh, it seems dimmer than the other one. See, it's got to warm up. That's no problem since this fixture's on for most of the day. Till I go to bed or if I want to watch TV. And blackout curtains so there's no glare. You get the theater experience. It's warmed up a bit more now. At first it looks like the color temperature was warmer. Nice soft lighting. Come on, focus. Transfer the files to this computer. Dual booting 7 and XP. And the enter key started failing. Yeah, I get to use my Inspiron 9400 more. Battery doesn't have a whole lot of life left. Made a post about this when it happened. Still works for now.